everybody, it's me, it's Carla, and today I want to do a special episode for everyone out there who feels like you lost yourself somewhere along the way, and you can't find yourself anymore. You don't know who you are anymore, and you feel like maybe you're dying or in a really bad way. And so today we're gonna do a self-portrait, but not just any self-portrait. This is a palimpsest of lost time and lost dreams and probably trauma. Okay, so you need a lot of tracing paper, and if you don't have any tracing paper, you can use any kind of paper that is transparent, maybe wax paper, I don't know. And so you want to start with your earliest memories of what you were like. And so I have a little paint here. I don't have any kind of medium that's the same color as I am. I have my pens and my glitter pens and my paint. So I'm just going to use yellow ochre. I'm going to paint myself. And so this is me. I'm a baby. I'm a baby like this. And now I'm innocent, and the whole world is ahead of me. My whole life is ahead of me. Like that. There we go. And what color eyes? Let's do some glitter eyes. And this represents how I feel like I've got my whole life ahead of me, and it's sparkling and wonderful and perfect. And maybe I'm even smiling a little bit because I think, wow, this was a really good idea to be born. And there we go. That's me. Look how happy I am. And then what happens next? And then they send you to school. And then what? And then they always ask you, like every day, they say, what do you want to be when you grow up? And you think, I want to be like a rainbow princess. And so here's a unicorn, because that's what I would ride as a rainbow princess. Let's see, let's do a little heart for an eye. And then I'm a rainbow princess. And so I think I'm purple. I think I'm still purple. I want to use paint, actually. I like using paint. And so this is, if you don't know how to draw something or how to paint something, just squirt a whole lot of paint out into a big pile of paint, and use your paintbrush. And use your paintbrush to spread it out. There. And it's really hard to see. But when I think about it, it's really hard to remember too. So that's, you know what? I think I need some more different colors around it so you can see. There. So you can see, I'm drawing the outline. I'm a rainbow princess. You know what might happen on accident is you make a funny shape and it doesn't really look like anything. So there's my face. There, perfect. Okay, and then I was a rainbow princess, but then what happens next? Then you get another piece of tracing paper. And then what happens next? And what happens next is there's a bully in your life. So let's make red. So we just put a lot of red on there, and we take our paintbrush, and remember, it's very easy. You just spread out the paint. There's a big bully, and this might be your teacher or your dad, and he's a big bully, and he's just angry all the time, and he tells you that you're worthless and stupid, and no one will ever love you. And then what happens next? Well, then you graduate, and you're supposed to get a job. And let's see. And on the inside, you feel really good. You feel really, really good on the inside because there's a little spark inside of you that's still and still remembers what it was like to feel happy. But the rest of you feels really awful all the time. And so you're on lots of antidepressants. But your inside still feels good. And then what happens? And then what happens is I don't know what happens next. This is where I gave up. This is where I gave up. But maybe you didn't give up. Maybe something good happened for you. I don't know. But this is mine. This is my Palimpsest self-portrait. And if you hold it up to the light, like at a window, then you can see all your layers that make up who you are. And it's kind of beautiful in a really sad way. Okay, I hope this was good for you. Okay, bye-bye.